This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Frank Hughes. If it's space, location and privacy and condition you're looking for, this home is for you. 5 bedrooms including a master down. Large eat-in kitchen with quartz countertops and a large quartz center island provide all the cooking space needed. A screened porch, off the kitchen, overlooks a beautiful private wooded backyard. 2 of the upstairs bedrooms share a Jack and Jill bath. The 5th bedroom can also be used as a private office. There is a huge loft area perfect for crafts, media room, play area, etc. Powhatan Secondary is ideally located only 1 mile from the shopping center, 2 miles to the post office and 7 minutes to Colonial Williamsburg. For more information, review the details below.